That hurt my... What the fuck? Hold on a minute, where's the energy sword? Oh wait. Alright, let's explore. What the? Are those humans? Whoa, holy shit. Piss off. Shit, that thing scared the fuck out of me. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, you fucked up, boy. Yeah. Can't even take a break. Well, that just happened.
Hey you.
Huh?
You also got teleported here?
Oh no, not this time. Ready.
Whoa, I know you are a little shaken, but listen.
Fuck no! Some dude with the same type of hat tried to kill me an episode ago.
Don't break the fourth wall again. Anyways, look. I used to work with the Tomcat. I gave them ideas on how to eradicate the completers. But then, I quit. I knew it wasn't worth it. Even if I tried, we could not kill them. It was worthless. Especially those two green and orange completers. They almost killed the boss twice. I can't get rid of this Tomcat, but they can't control it.
How do I know if I can trust you?
Well, what you want me to do?
Fair enough. Well, what the hell is this place, this dimension?
I don't know, some sort of void that somehow took form.
What do you mean it took form?
I got teleported by that green vending machine complete energy, or will she made me get teleported here. It felt weird, it was like all matter of me vanished. Then all I saw was a ton of flashing lights. It felt like I was going through a wormhole, then darkness. I was floating, there was nothing, literally nothing. Like a month later, and another android gets teleported here, Westeroid, but it was damaged. It didn't have the Westeroid in it, and was...
Hey, hold it right there! An android with a blaster that just attacked me.
That's weird. Don't remember getting out of here.
Someone call me.
What? Now I'm confused.
It's not the same one.
Well, that explains it.
So you two are not gonna hurt me?
Go back.
Alright then, let's go.
Hold up, we have a problem.
Huh?
What is it?
Ashes. A strider.
Oh come on, first an android with modifications, now a dollar store spell caller.
I'll take care of this.
Damn, you're real strong. How much does the striker weight?
About 178 pounds.
No, the hell it doesn't. That thing's huge.
Not to mention, the voids are really weird. Somehow, the gravity here is lower to the surface. Really weird.
Huh, no wonder that thing went flying weehee through it.
Hold up, Half-Joy. Remember we're looking for an exit. Remember?
Oh, right.
Hold up, you guys are looking for an exit?
Yup.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I know where we can get out. Over here, guys. Now let's go. Huh, weird. It's not the same place where I was. What the?
Dumbass, can't believe he actually fell for it.
Locating main Confit headquarters.
Nice. I heard his word. Alright, let's go.
Man, it's really windy. Wait, what's a plastic barrel doing there?
I don't know. Maybe some idiot left it there. Let's put it in the trash. I don't like it when people litter in the forest.
Well, alright, let's go get the... Is that a face?
What do you mean it has a face? Holy shit, is this guy alive? Riff! Help me get this guy out to a safer place.
Hold up. Ah, man, this guy's heavy.